Hello, I'm Mrs. Owens, and I'm going to show you part 3 and part 4 for lab 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have a Erlenmeyer flask here that has the lime water that we made at part 1 and 2 during the lab. And I'm going to take a straw and I'm going to blow into it. And I just want you to watch and kind of see what happens. So as you can see, hopefully, the water got a little foggy. And when you have lime water and it reacts with carbon dioxide, you get a precipitate. You get like a solid cloudiness in there. So the next part, this is going to be part 4. I have measured out 35 milliliters of hydrochloric acid, and I have that in my graduated cylinder, and I'm going to put this into an Erlenmeyer flask. I have already taken the temperature of it, and the temperature is, you can write this in your data table, or I'll also share this later, is 21.5 degrees Celsius. I also have, in another Erlenmeyer flask, I have some lime water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this magnesium strip and I'm going to drop it into the hydrochloric acid. I'm going to stopper this and we're going to see what happens to the lime water. And then also when the magnesium strip has completely dissolved, I'm going to take the temperature of the hydrochloric acid again. So here we go. So as you can see, the lime water is bubbling, but it is remaining clear. Okay, my magnesium strip is gone, so I'm going to take my stopper out, put my thermometer in. My temperature is still going up a little bit. It is up to 31.0 degrees Celsius. So you should put that on your chart, 31.0 degrees. So I just want to point out that really the lime water, nothing really happened to the lime water. It just, we had some bubbling, a gas was definitely formed. I'm going to move this out of the way. And I have another 35 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. Notice that I'm leaving the flask on the table. And I'm pouring. Don't ever hold it while you're pouring in case you spill. I've already taken the temperature of the hydrochloric acid. It's also 21.5 degrees. And I'm going to now, I measured out 2 grams of sodium carbonate, and I'm going to put that in the hydrochloric acid and just repeat what I just did. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video or not, but a precipitate, it did get cloudy. The lime water did get cloudy from this reaction. And it's about done, so I'm going to pull my cork out and take my temperature. The temperature is about 25 degrees Celsius. And so you should write that on your data chart. So with that, you should be able to complete your lab report. And if you have any questions, please send me an email or contact me on It's Learning. Thank you. Bye.